When was the last time you got up and already felt like it was already time to go back to sleep? You bend down to pick something up and your knees start doing the pop and lock maneuver, and you take three separate corner installments to get back up, feeling like you're 80 when you're, what, 26? That's absurd. What if I told you that you could fix most, if not all of those problems by simply doing a few things? Come with me. So a lot of the time, people tend to think that once they reach 20 or 30, they officially reach uncle or aunties to us, looking up for you ladies. It's a men and women channel. And they feel some kind of pain or discomfort while doing a certain exercise. And suddenly it's, oh, I'm getting old. And it's like, oh, I can't do this anymore like I used to. Like the kids, when I was a kid, I was 20, I used to do this, I used to do that. My knees never used to hurt, or I was never dying doing the most basic shit. Like I train and I've been getting a pop in my neck from that one time I decided to sleep on the other side of the bed a few months ago. So I know what's up, okay? We're in the same camp here. But see, there's a difference between me and you. And that's the only problem that I have. I don't have knee problems. I can run a 5K in less than 30 minutes. I can do more than 10 pull-ups, which I realize is a very massive achievement to have for some reason. Like, people cannot do more than 10 pull-ups. It's weird. But see, the reason why you're so unfit isn't because you're getting older. Studies actually show that your physical capabilities doesn't decrease until you're around like 40. So even people in their 30s aren't actually old. The reason why you tend to feel so old is because after we all finish high school, we tend to get cars, we tend to get a job, most of which is in an office, mind you, and we spend most of our time sitting, when in the past we would walk a lot more, whether from class to class, or some people would walk to school, or you'd go out to different places on foot with the other kids that you have no means to drive. Overall, you just tend to get a lot more steps in and generally be more active. But these days, people sit more and we don't go out like we used to due to having less friends, no third space. You probably get DoorDash from a restaurant that's within a 1 mile radius from your house, which I must say is like deeply ridiculous, and I'm highly disappointed in you. Like, we used to hunt food and you can't even get up and get some pizza off your couch. Like, come on, man, really? You know, like, really, people order groceries these days. Like, it's not difficult to go buy groceries, guys. Like, come on, really? But that's what you're missing. You're missing movement. Not necessarily a brutal 2-hour workout where you crawl out of the gym looking like you just completed military training. I mean, like, boring movement, normal movement, walking to the shop, taking the stairs, getting up from your desk and carrying stuff, carrying your groceries instead of having some delivery guy named Carl have them outside your door while you watch Netflix. All of those little things used to happen naturally, you know? Now, because everything has become more convenient, you have to add them back intentionally. Yeah, you see how I just climbed that tree? When's the last time you've climbed a tree? You see how I just did that? I was actually supposed to go into the playground, but I saw that tree and I was like, hey, why not just climb a tree? You know, here we go. I'm up in the tree. Literally, you're gonna if I fall, if you see something happens in this video, you know what happened. So, anyways, back to the first point. What you need to do first is you need to walk more. Your step count is very important, especially these days. You don't get enough steps in. Normally, you get about if you're not getting more than 5-digit steps in, you're not doing enough steps, and that's the first thing you need to work on. And I know, yes, it's me telling you to just walk more. Like, it's not some revolutionary advice, and I mean, like, of course not. It's not. Losing weight isn't even difficult. It's very simple. Like, I didn't bring you onto this video to talk to you about like flipping Flight Club or something. We don't talk about that. So yeah, I'm telling you to put one foot in front of the other. Surprise. But in all seriousness, walking is probably the easiest way to stay fit while working in an office because it doesn't destroy your recovery, it doesn't require gym clothes, and it can fit into any part of your day. Like, you can literally just take a walk after work. Like, I normally walk during my lunch break to Asda, and even if it's only 15 or 20 minutes, it does two things. One, it gets me away from the screen before I eventually start seeing Outlook notifications in my dreams. And two, it adds movement to a day that would otherwise involve me sitting at a desk and then going home and sitting all day again. Because that's the real problem. People think, oh, I went to the gym for an hour, so I'm active, hee hee. But then you spend the other 15 waking hours shaped like a prawn on your couch, or shaped to the prawn on your desk, or shaped to a prawn in your car. So, like, your workout matters, but so does everything else that you do outside of it. So walk during your lunch break, park slightly further away, and take the goddamn stairs. Stop taking the elevators. Go and collect your own food. Simply choose the slightly harder option every single time. I promise you it's worth it. Yeah, so I broke in anyway. Turns out I'm an adult and I don't need to follow the rules because rules sucks. Ugh. So the second thing is you need to be strong enough for normal life. And before anyone starts panicking, oh no, you don't need to become a bigger, stronger, toughy bodybuilder. You don't need to bench 3 plates, you don't need to deadlift a car or work on silently releasing your protein farts. But you should have a basic level of strength that's higher than what you have now. You should be able to do a few push-ups, hang from a bar, at least 10 pull-ups. Like please, someone please do 10 pull-ups. And walking up a flight of stairs without needing a full recovery week. Because strength, like actual strength, make normal life easier. Personally, I train around my job rather than expecting my job to magically make room for training. Like I tend to go in the mornings and oh my god, why is it so hot? It's like 31, I think it's 31 degrees. Come on, you're editing, come on, show them the temperature. It is hot. I'm sacrificing this for you. I'm sacrificing this for you. Oh my god, the least you could do is subscribe, please. And see, the mistake people normally make is thinking every workout needs to be perfect. They plan like 5 intense sessions, you miss 2 of them, and then decide the entire week has been ruined. Meanwhile, 3 decent sessions every week for a year could completely transform you. For most office workers, I start with 2 or 3 bodybuilding sessions, a pushing movement, a pulling movement, and something for legs, whatever it could be for legs, squats, deadlift, leg press, whatever, and some core work. All you need is something you can still do when work has annoyed you, traffic was terrible and your manager asked for a quick Teams call at 4:58 p.m. Another thing is that you should stop waiting to feel motivated. And this is probably the biggest one. After working all day, you're not always going to feel motivated to exercise. Sometimes I finish work and I don't feel like training either. But see, the difference is that I don't treat that feeling like an instruction. Because if I only trained when I felt energetic, inspired, and emotionally prepared, I would train about like once every bank holiday, basically. You need to make the beginning as easy as possible. Pack your gym clothes before work. Go directly to the gym instead of going home first, and choose a gym close to your workplace or your house. Have a shorter workout ready for the days when you genuinely feel trained, because once you sit on the couch and take your shoes off and start scrolling, the workout is finished, it's over, you're not coming back from that. So I have a basic rule. On the days that I don't feel like training, I can do a shorter session, but I still have to start. Most of the time I'm there, I'm fine, and if I feel genuinely exhausted, I do a few movements and go home and try again another day. And that's still better than building the habit of quitting whenever the day isn't perfect. So here's the real answer. How do I stay fit while working an office job? It's simple. I walk, I train a few times a week, as well daily as I run and train in martial arts. That coaching is very active. I try not to spend every free moment sitting down, and I do it consistently enough that missing 1 or 2 workouts, even though I don't, Coach King never misses, or having 1 lazy day doesn't matter. There is no secret office worker fitness hack. You just need to replace some of the movements modern life has removed. Because you're probably not old, you're probably not broken, you're just really lazy. So yeah, luckily for you, that can be fixed though. So get up, go for a walk, and please collect your own damn pizza. Like, goddamn.